So this is a severe thunderstorm, I guess. That's what's forecast right now for Toronto. And I think there's a tornado watch, which means it might happen. It hasn't been upgraded to, if it gets upgraded to tornado warning, then I'm definitely going downstairs. Because that means it can happen anytime and then we'll all die. But there's so much lightning, I needed to record it. It's crazy. I'm just listening to like the news on the radio, like 24/7. It's so awesome. Storms are so cool. Unless they like kill people, then they're not cool. Okay, need to listen to the radio again. Do not want to die.